A social media content calendar will help you organize your social media activities far in advance, making it easier to coordinate campaigns, grow your reach, and scale your social media marketing. The template includes a monthly calendar, content repository, and a space for scheduled updates on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Pinterest. To get started, download the social media content calendar. In this tutorial, I'll go over each tab of the spreadsheet, highlighting nuances and giving you tips for maximum productivity. Let's take a look at the calendar and how you can use it to plan your monthly social media content. You'll be able to plan posts for campaigns, holidays, or specific pieces of content you'd like to promote across all social networks on a particular day of the week. This is the monthly planning calendar tab. In the top right corner, you'll see the key of the types of content or campaigns you might want to coordinate. Feel free to change this key depending on the types of content that you tend to promote. You will also see that you can write in the date next to or above each day of the week, and in the rows below, you can include specific details about your scheduled content or campaigns. Don't forget to swap out Insert Month plus Year with the particular month and year you are planning for. This monthly planning calendar tab can even be copied over 12 times and made into a calendar for each month of the year. Next, let's talk about the content repository. The Content Repository tab of this spreadsheet is designed to house your most commonly promoted website content in one place. As your inbound marketing strategy grows, you'll have accumulated an impressive bank of content, website pages, and offers that you'll want to resurface and promote via social media. To ensure you don't lose track of all that great content, record it on this tab so you're never at a loss for social media content. If the content you're promoting is not evergreen, be sure to include an expiration date in the column marked Expiration. Next is the Twitter Updates tab. Use this tab to plan out all of your Twitter content week by week. The first three columns are day, date, and time. In the message column, simply input the copy you'd like to appear in your tweet, bearing in mind you should keep it to 257 characters or less if you want to include a link. After you've composed your tweet, paste the URL you'd like to include in your tweet in the link column. In the column labeled Campaign, include the name if applicable. Your campaign should align with the same campaign name you used in other marketing materials. The example below links to a demo of HubSpot's Social Inbox product, so we included the campaign name Social Inbox, so the reporting shows how many tweets we sent about this particular topic and how well each performed. You can also include a link to an image file for reference, which you will learn to do later in this lesson. The character count section will auto-calculate the number of characters you've entered with a color-coded system to keep you on point. Green means you are in the clear and you'll be able to attach an image in addition to a link. Once you've hit 200 characters, the box turns yellow. This means you'll only be able to fit a link with no image. If the box turns bright red, that means you've hit 250 characters and you're running out of room to include a link. If you'd like to include an image, we suggest using 1024 by 512 pixels for Twitter images. Next up is the Facebook Update tab. Facebook's Update tab works just as Twitter's does, though there's no character count column. Facebook affords users a much longer text limit, so no need to worry about counting characters. Plan for when your post will go out under the day, date, and time columns. Then head over on to the column labeled Message and input the copy you'd like to appear in your status update. Move to the link column and input the link you're including with the post after that. If you'd like this update to be tagged to a certain campaign, include this in the Campaigns column to ensure you track all traffic that comes from Facebook. If you'd like to include an image, we suggest 1200 by 628 pixels. LinkedIn updates are next. LinkedIn updates work similarly to Facebook updates, though you should aim to keep messages posted more professional and less brand focused, while Facebook should have the inverse approach. If you'd like to attach an image to your post, we suggest 1584 by 396 pixels. Then there is the Pinterest Update tab. Pinterest is a highly visual social network, so make sure you focus on organizing images in this tab. You could do this easily by pasting a link in your Google spreadsheet or by attaching a document in your Excel spreadsheet. We recommend always organizing your images in a Google Drive, Dropbox, or desktop folder before planning and scheduling content for the week. For Pinterest, your most optimized images will be around 600 by 900 pixels. However, also keep in mind that longer content such as infographics could perform even better. In the Message section of your Pinterest tab, keep the text short but searchable. You want to ensure the image is doing the talking for you rather than the text. Next is the Instagram Update tab. With Instagram updates, you'll notice you can't actually link to a specific web page or article from an individual post. To get around this, we've included a link in bio section to help you organize which posts needs promo links and which don't. If your Instagram post doesn't require a link, simply write NA in the link in bio section. For Instagram pictures, we recommend you post high-quality photos that are perfect squares of 1080 by 1080 pixels. If you're using HubSpot Marketing, you can bulk upload your social updates into HubSpot. That's what the final sheet is for, Schedule. To learn how to upload your social posts into HubSpot's social inbox, check out the information in the full downloadable guide.